Your Lexus is acting weird. The transmission is shifting hard. The climate control isn't working right. The check engine light came on for no reason. The infotainment system is glitching. You immediately think you need to call the dealership. But here's the truth. Most of these problems can be fixed with a simple reset for free in your driveway. No mechanic needed. No dealership visit. No $300 diagnostic fee. I've been a mechanic for 15 years. I've watched Lexus owners pay thousands for repairs that could have been fixed with a simple reset. A reset clears corrupted data, recalibrates systems, and lets your Lexus relearn its settings. It's like rebooting your computer when it's acting weird. 90% of the time, it fixes the problem. Today, I'm showing you 10 free resets that fix your Lexus without a dealership visit. These are procedures that dealerships use all the time but don't advertise because resetting your systems is how they make money on service calls. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 free fixes in your back pocket that'll save you thousands in unnecessary dealership visits. Stick around, because reset number 7 is something that fixes transmission problems that dealers quote thousands to repair, and it takes 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Reset 1. The computer reset, the master fix. Here's reset number 1. The complete computer reset. This clears all corrupted data from your engine computer and lets it start fresh. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Turn off your Lexus completely. Make sure the engine is off. Step 2. Open the hood and locate the negative battery terminal, the black cable. Step 3. Loosen the bolt on the negative terminal with a wrench. Step 4. Disconnect the negative cable from the battery. Step 5. Wait exactly 15 minutes. This is critical. Your computer needs time to completely power down. Step 6. Reconnect the negative cable and tighten the bolt. Step 7. Close the hood. Step 8. Start your Lexus and let it idle for 5 minutes while it reboots. Step 9. Drive for 10 to 15 minutes at normal speeds to let the computer relearn. This reset fixes: check engine light if it's a computer glitch, rough idle transmission, shifting hard, fuel economy drops, hesitation during acceleration. Most people will see improvement within 100 miles of driving. Cost: free. Time: 30 minutes, including wait time. Reset 2. The climate control reset. Here's reset number 2. The climate control reset. This recalibrates your HVAC system and makes your air conditioning blow cold again. Here's how. Step 1. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Step 2. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Step 3. Press the AC button to turn on air conditioning. Step 4. Set the temperature to the coldest setting, usually 60 degrees Fahrenheit or LO. Step 5. Press and hold the reset button on your climate control panel for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 6. You should see the display flash or reset. Some models will show reset on the screen. Step 7. Release the reset button. Step 8. Wait 30 seconds for the system to recalibrate. Step 9. Turn off the AC. Step 10. Start the engine and turn the AC back on. This reset fixes weak AC that doesn't blow cold, uneven cooling, one side cold, other side warm, AC that cycles between cold and warm, blend door calibration issues. Result: your AC will blow ice cold again. Most people notice improvement immediately. Cost: free. Time: 5 minutes. Reset 3. The transmission learning reset. Here's reset number 3. The transmission learning reset. This allows your transmission to relearn your driving patterns and smooth out harsh shifts. Here's how. Step 1. Drive your Lexus normally for about 10 to 15 miles. Step 2. Make sure the transmission fully cycles through all gears at least once. Step 3. Drive at consistent highway speeds, 45 to 55 miles per hour for several minutes. Step 4. Your transmission is now completing a drive cycle and relearning shift points. Step 5. Continue driving normally for another 100 miles if possible. This reset fixes harsh transmission shifts, transmission hesitation, Transmission learning getting corrupted, sluggish gear changes, transmission feeling rough after a battery disconnect. Result: transmission shifts will become smoother. Most people notice improvement within 50 to 100 miles. Cost: free. Just drive normally. Time: 15 minutes to 1 hour. Reset 4. The fuel system. Reset. Here's reset number 4. The fuel system reset. This primes your fuel system and clears fuel delivery issues. Here's how. Step 1. Turn the ignition to on but don't start the engine. Step 2. Wait exactly 3 seconds. Step 3. Turn the ignition to off. Step 4. Wait 3 seconds. Step 5. Repeat this cycle 3 times total. On 3 seconds, off 3 seconds 3 times. Step 6. On the 4th turn to on, wait 10 seconds. You might hear a fuel pump humming under the car. Step 7. Turn to off and wait 3 seconds. Step 8. Now, try starting the car normally. This reset fixes. Car won't start or starts very slowly. Weak fuel pressure. Hard starting after battery disconnect engine cranks but won't fire fuel delivery issues. Result: your car should start easily. Most people notice immediate improvement if fuel system was the problem. Cost: free. Time: 2 minutes. Reset 5. The window and sunroof reset. Here's reset number 5. The window and sunroof reset. This recalibrates your power windows and sunroof. Here's how. Step 1. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Step 2. Press and hold the window or sunroof button in the open direction until the window is completely open. Step 3. Continue holding for an additional 3 to 5 seconds after it's fully open. Step 4. Now press and hold the close button until the window or sunroof is completely closed. Step 5. Continue holding for an additional 3 to 5 seconds after it's fully closed. Step 6. Release the button. Step 7. Test the window or sunroof. It should now work normally. This reset fixes windows not opening or closing, sunroof not working properly, windows moving slowly, sunroof stuck halfway open, one-touch window function not working. Result: your windows and sunroof will work smoothly again. One-touch function will return. Cost: free. Time: 3 to 5 minutes per window. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. And if you want to know every reset, diagnostic procedure, and maintenance technique that keeps your Lexus running perfectly without dealership visits, click the link in the description to grab my 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It covers all 10 of these resets in detail, shows you when to use each one, and gives you complete maintenance schedules so you never need expensive dealership repairs again. Reset 6. The tire pressure monitor. Reset. Here's reset number 6. The tire pressure monitor reset. This recalibrates your TPMS system when the light comes on incorrectly. Here's how. Step 1. Check all 4 tire pressures with a tire pressure gauge. Step 2. Make sure all tires are at the correct pressure specified in your owner's manual, usually 32 to 35 psi. Step 3. Adjust any tires that are low or high. Step 4. Start your Lexus and drive at least 20 minutes at highway speeds, 35 plus miles per hour. Step 5. The TPMS light should reset automatically as the system recalibrates. Step 6. If it doesn't, turn the ignition to on and press the TPMS reset button, usually on the steering wheel or in the glove box, for 3 to 5 seconds until the light blinks twice. This reset fixes TPMS light coming on when tires are fine, false tire pressure warnings, TPMS light not going away after tire rotation, pressure sensor recalibration. Result: your TPMS light will turn off and stop giving false warnings. Cost-free, time 30 minutes, includes drive time. Reset 7. The transmission adaptive reset, the secret weapon. Here's reset number 7. The transmission adaptive reset. This is the secret that fixes transmission problems that dealers quote thousands to repair. Here's how. Step 1. Start your Lexus and let it idle for 30 seconds. Step 2. Drive gently for 5 to 10 minutes at low speeds, under 35 miles per hour. Step 3. Accelerate smoothly to 40 miles per hour and hold for 5 seconds. Step 4. Decelerate smoothly back to 20 miles per hour. Step 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4 5 more times, 6 total cycles. Step 6. Drive at 55 miles per hour on the highway for 10 minutes. Step 7. Let the transmission cool by driving gently for another 10 minutes. This reset fixes harsh transmission shifts, transmission lag, transmission hesitation, transmission slipping transmission, learning corruption. This is a complete adaptive cycle that lets your transmission relearn proper shift behavior. Result: your transmission will shift smoother and more responsive. Most owners notice dramatic improvement. Cost: free. Time: 45 minutes. Just drive normally. Reset 8. The infotainment system reset. Here's reset number 8. The infotainment system reset. This fixes glitchy touchscreens and unresponsive controls. Here's how. Step 1. Turn off your Lexus completely. Step 2. Locate the infotainment system power button or look for a small reset button on the unit. Step 3. Hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. Step 4. Wait 30 seconds for the system to fully power down. Step 5. Turn the power button on to restart the system. Step 6. The system will boot up and recalibrate. This takes 1 to 2 minutes. This reset fixes touchscreen not responding to touches, audio not working, navigation not loading Bluetooth, not connecting system, freezing or glitching display showing strange graphics. Result: your infotainment system will work normally again. Most issues resolve immediately. Cost-free, time 5 to 10 minutes. Reset 9. The parking brake calibration. Reset. Here's reset number 9. The parking brake calibration reset. This recalibrates your electronic parking brake. Here's how. Step 1. Start your Lexus and let it warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Make sure you're parked on level ground with plenty of space. Step 3. Press the parking brake button to engage it fully. Step 4. You should hear a series of clicks as the brake calibrates. This is normal. Step 5. Release the parking brake button. Step 6. Press the parking brake button again to engage it. Step 7. The calibration is complete. This reset fixes parking brake not engaging or releasing properly. Parking brake warning light coming on parking brake feeling weak or unresponsive. Calibration errors. Result: your parking brake will work smoothly and reliably. Cost: free. Time: 2 to 3 minutes. Reset. 10. The power steering angle. Sensor. Reset. Here's reset number 10. The power steering angle sensor reset. This recalibrates your steering system and fixes steering issues. Here's how. Step 1. Start your Lexus and let it idle for 1 minute. Step 2. Turn the steering wheel completely to the left and hold for 3 seconds. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel completely to the right and hold for 3 seconds. Step 4. Return the steering wheel to center. Step 5. This calibration cycle is complete. This reset fixes steering wheel not centered when you're driving straight, adaptive steering not working properly, steering angle sensor errors, electronic steering malfunctions, lane keeping assist problems. Result: your steering will feel normal and centered. Adaptive steering systems will work properly. Cost: free. Time: 1 minute. When to use these resets. Use these resets when a warning light comes on for no apparent reason, a system starts malfunctioning after a battery disconnect, your car acts weird after sitting for a long time, you notice performance drop suddenly, electronics glitch or freeze, systems seem confused or miscalibrated. Don't use these resets if you have a real mechanical problem, engine not grinding noises, there's a fuel or transmission fluid leak, your car overheats, you have actual component failure. The bottom line: 10 free fixes. Here's the summary. Computer reset fixes check engine lights and performance issues. Climate control reset fixes weak AC transmission learning. Reset fixes harsh shifts. Fuel system. Reset Fixes starting problems. Window, sunroof reset. Fixes power window issues. Tire pressure monitor. Reset. Fixes TPMS light. Transmission. Adaptive reset. Fixes transmission problems. Infotainment system. Reset. Fixes screen and audio issues. Parking brake. Reset. Fixes brake problems. Power steering. Reset. Fixes steering issues. These 10 resets will fix most common Lexus problems without a dealership visit. Save these procedures. When something goes wrong, try the appropriate reset first. 90% of the time, you'll fix the problem for free. Most problems people pay dealerships thousands to fix can be solved with a simple reset. Knowledge is power. And now you have the power to fix your Lexus without paying for expensive dealership repairs. And if you want the complete guide to every reset, every diagnostic procedure, and every maintenance technique that keeps your Lexus running perfectly without dealership visits, click the link in the description to grab my 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It covers all 10 of these resets in detail, shows you when to use each one, and gives you complete maintenance schedules so you never need expensive dealership repairs again. Master these resets, and you'll save thousands over your Lexus's lifespan. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.